Hey there, this is Christy Winfrey with Legacy Transactions, bringing you another Tuesday tip. As a transaction coordinator, we are all about saving you time. So I wanted to show you this quick little Google Chrome hack that can save you time when downloading attachments in your email. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here to Chrome and go to Settings, and then go to Downloads. And make sure that this is toggled on. It says ask where to save each file before downloading. By default, I believe it's usually toggled off. So when it's toggled off, when I download this attachment, it downloads and then it goes to my downloads. I have to open it in order to download it again and then be able to choose where I want it to go to. Now, when you toggle that on in settings, now, when I download that attachment, it automatically opens up my Finder here, and then I can choose the folder I want it to go to. So it saves you a few clicks, and overall, it's going to save you a lot of time.